what we did last night. Last night we got Juve or this state. With the palm where we go Ring Road. Ring Road cause what time now? 4:30. We should have reached from 2 o'clock so we could have get footage. But this man I choose said yo.
Don't put it on me. I tell you say I'm tell you say wake me up.
Yo,
and you ask them look like me tired.
Yo, me wake up.
I never asked that, boss.
Wake up this man
Now I look
every
tired.
hour and this man just roll over in my bed.
So, that's why I tell you to wake me up coming home and say.
Yo, that. Next time I never gonna do that again. Next time I just hard. I can't sit down and do really out there.
You can't talk to me when I'm asleep. Because me answer you. Answer you. I don't know, man.
I don't know how much footage we are going to get for today, but and we plans them, I don't know what plans them are going to work for today.
You have night vision.
And then the bus will take long or taxi will take long.
Take that bus in there. Yeah, they got you.
I think so. Reach, yes, sire. Touchdown. Me that say.
Blessings.
Then, no, go here, sir.
I guess.
Vlogception.
Cheese.
Wait, say, you
Ready?
So,
Sun
the
is
CSP
shining.
teacher, just an easy walk. That's the funny part.
And this is the thing to vlog in public. Super public.
You don't feel no way to me now.
You feel like everybody watch you, which is probably the case.
It is all?
Probably the case. Like I go broke my day then, you know.
Yo!
Scratch my neck.
Yeah. Man say, neck got broke.
Stretch my neck, dog. Like a mash up.
I'll be there, me I go do it.
For out?
Alright, I don't know how we buck them up, but we buck them up.
Who that?
Just look straight in the bridge, you can't see.
I don't know who that man.
Yo, I don't know how we buck them up, but we just buck them up.
It's Faith.
I'm saying, I look food, and we just come book now.
No, I don't like how that sound.
What do you mean what I do? Say hi.
A Snapchat.
Is it?
I go kill off the food them I know.
Because I'm...
I say, I go do with it. Kill off the food. Oh, we soon come. Yes, sire. Kill off the food. Yeah,
You have vlog?
yeah.
Yeah, but
I
me,
think.
I thought about if me end up living on one girl old dog, and she look for me. If you know what I mean, if she look for me and wait, I say, babes, and I string and I feeling now. String them fat still.
Guys, we are going what this up? What this up? Ring
I
road
don't know,
this
right?
stay with. Ring road dance, something. Alright?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so we are going to that.
Kenny, boy, Kenny.
Yo, what am I do?
Yo, what are you?
There, dog.
You're not so far, but alright. But it's so far, man, like...
Yeah, we don't see dog.
Oh, the weird. Yeah, wrap it up, dog. Before the music gets too loud.
Wait, yo. We so sure no what going in the car.
Yeah, go show them.
Like how we kill off the woman, we kill off the food them.
I say, ready or no? Well, if I'm going to girl neck back. I'm like that. I'm really popping out grenade back if she going too bad.
If she want to back you up too much and make me start jump up and down, you know, say I hate that to you, you know. Don't party about to be lit.
Call me Chef Chris cause I'm always. Call me Chef Chris cause I'm always. Call me Chef Chris cause I'm always in peace. Brain leaking, propane, mouse is a lighter. Miss a shooter girl, if she's near, better hide her. OD on the V, so my liver getting whiter. Lift my geometry set, but I can still divide her.
So man's up top now. Now turn on. Tell them how God feed.
Where did you
That. What you laugh for?
Where did you $5?
It have to stay under something. My mother watch the vlog. Why you turn on the laptop let me see?
Which laptop, mine?
Duh, fools me want to see.
Wait till I turn on, because you're sharing burst.
So you got the homework.
Yeah, no,
I have test check coming and I'm going to reach a school in this arena. Well, test can't done. Yo, one carry out test, I'm afraid. Come on, walk in the area. And hold hands together. Yeah, we know that. So, can you just like back off a little bit? No? Right, hold on. Try to turn on something now. So this is right and turn off. Magic. I mean, I found that after I turn it on back here, either.
Oh. So you try to turn on something?
Yeah, just try
Which light now turn off?
that there.
Wait.
In there, so. Alright. Just give up, man.
How do you feel there, brother?
It stinks. Run left Marian now! Run left Marian! Yo! It's a storm. I'm up on to it.
Yo, we are freeze. Come like a hurricane, come get shot that shit. You don't fall out the water. Yo, your phone gooshy now. You can't jump up, sir. You can't jump up by you text.
Who don't cry?
Oh God. Water just ran down my butt crack.
Best out with the phone!
The phone good dog.
Where's the phone?